Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about congruent angles and vertical angles. First thing we'll do is define what congruent angles are. So two angles are called congruent angles if they measure the same amount of degrees. What I'm doing is I'm just going to draw the same angle but two different ways. Call this angle A and this angle B, and let's say that they both measure 45 degrees. Visually, this is what it would look like. How we write it is the following way. Angle A, this symbol means is congruent to angle B. So angle A is congruent to angle B as shown here. So this takes care of what congruent angles are. And the reason why this is brought up first is because we will be using ideas like this to help show that sides, angles, and maybe even figures are similar or congruent, and we'll get to all that in later videos. Let's take a look now at vertical angles. What I'm going to do first is give all these angles some measurements. So angle FOC, I'll measure this at 130 degrees. Angle COD, right here, I'm going to label 50 degrees. These two are supplements of each other. Angle EOD is measured 130 degrees as well. And angle FOE is measured 50 degrees here. So, angles that share a common side and a common vertex are known as adjacent angles. Let me write that over here. Adjacent. So for instance, angles FOC and angles COD, those are known as adjacent angles. Angles that do not share a common side are called non-adjacent angles. Two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines are called vertical angles. If two angles are vertical angles, then they are congruent. So in this figure here, I can say that angles FOC and angle EOD are congruent. They are known as vertical angles. One other way to specify and label vertical angles, they form a little V shape here. And then likewise, same thing for angles FOE and angle COD. They both measure 50 degrees. So angle FOC and angle EOD, oops, this is a pair of vertical angles shown here. FOC measures 130 degrees and EOD measures 130 degrees. They are vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent. They're also non-adjacent too. Likewise, angle FOE and angle COD are vertical angles. They are congruent. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.